You can't dispute sort of history, and there's no doubt they had a bit of a head start, especially in the areas they operate. And again, clearly they only operate in certain conurbations. They don't offer a national coverage in the same way we do. But with the announcement, for instance, today, where we're increasing our fibre footprint from 1.6 to 1.9 million homes running up to 2020, we're going to be well ahead of those guys in terms of our offering of superfast broadband across Ireland. And I think, there's an element of catch-up. I mean, on the broadband side, we're still the biggest. On the fibre side, our ambition is to be the biggest. And with the network that we're building, there's absolutely no reason why we won't be the biggest provider of superfast broadband going forward. I think we're really happy with the take-up of the broadband. I mean, as you know, we've got the widest network in Ireland, and there is a real appetite for fibre and fast broadband. And I think we offer that at a national level in a way that nobody else can. So we are pleased with it. I'm also pleased with the ability to cross-sell other products off that, because having the broadband pipe clearly gives you the opportunity with fibre then to sell the TV product and then create the bundle with a mobile network as well, where only we currently have the ability to offer that converged quad play bundle.